Galileo Galilei once thought that the chandelier above his head resembled something that has periodic motion, that is, something which goes to and fro. One of the most well-known periodic motions is that of a simple pendulum. A simple pendulum has a rigid stand, a thread, and a metallic bob. Now, if you take a big metallic bob and release it from here without adding any force, it will definitely not hit your face, but goes to and fro like this. This to and fro motion of a simple pendulum is called oscillation, and the pendulum is said to have completed one oscillation when its bob, starting from its mean position O, moves to A, then to B, and back to O. Also, the movement from point A to B, then to A is also one oscillation, and the time taken for the pendulum to complete one oscillation is its time period, and the number of oscillations that happen in 1 second is called its frequency. So what have we learned today? Today we've learned about the simple pendulum, its periodic motion, what is an oscillation, time period, and frequency. Until next time, happy learning!